Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Welcome to the space of yin. This is a perfect practice when you're looking to dial down the nervous system and let the body move into a space of healing. If you love these yin classes, be sure to like the video, leave me a comment, and check out my online channel, Omstars. I'd love to see you there. We do much longer immersive yin practices and all kinds of practices there. For this class, let's get started in a comfortable seated position. We'll start off with releasing tension in the neck because there's so much tension that comes up in life that gets stored in this area. So let's take the right hand down and then lightly drop the head over to the left side and move the ear and the shoulder on the right side away from each other and just kind of move lightly until you find a spot that feels like, yes, I'm going to stay there and hold it for a moment. And then allow the weighty sensation through the neck to release, giving the hand a little extra if that's right for you. One more breath, and let's let it go. All right, we're going to switch the sides. So we'll move gently over to the other side, taking that left hand down and just finding that band. That's good. Finding, feeling, and then settling in to that melting sensation, adding the hand in. Calm, quiet, no force. That's good. Let's let that go. Coming back gently in, then we'll move over to the side and we're going to deconstruct the posture called Ardha Matsyendrasana. So let's fold the legs into the Ardha Matsyendrasana legs, which is left knee bend and right foot on the outside. And then exhale, let's just gently lie down. So we allow the fold to happen through the hip. There's this feeling like, oh, maybe we should be twisting more, but let's just allow the posture to be what it is, kind of finding the ease, where there's no need to force, no need to twist deeper, letting the pelvis just lightly settle. Let's keep that right knee pointed up for a few breaths. Observe the sensation along the outer band of the right thigh. Observe the sensation around the hips and the sacrum. And letting each breath take the body into a space of healing, of vibrational harmony, where body and mind unify. The vibration of the body releases resistance, harmonizing with the frequency of the earth. After a few breaths here, then we will allow the opportunity for that right hip to just fall over, the right knee to fall over, and the right arm to dangle in the air or extend outwards. No force. If we want to add the left hand to the right knee. We can, but it's not mandatory. Whatever feels more ease, a sense of release. Slowly now, let's come back to the center. We'll thread the legs apart, find our way into constructive rest, and then let's just feel the journey, everything that happened in the hip region. And let's see if we can enter that same posture without sitting up. So we'll fold the right knee down and the left foot crosses over so that the left foot rests on the outer band of the right thigh, and then just explore the settling that wants to happen in the sacrum here. Dialing the nervous system down. No force, no fight. An ease and a release. Slowly now, there's that opportunity to allow the left knee to fold a little over. If it's comfortable, we can slowly drape the left arm, but without any need for anything to be on the ground, either floating in the air, resting on a bolster, or maybe even the ground. Just a few more breaths. Let everything go. Let everything release. Slowly now, let's find the way back. Constructive rest again. Allow a moment for the body to recalibrate. Feel the whole organ system settling. The muscles releasing, nervous system balancing, and the whole body healing. Slowly now roll over onto the side and find the way all the way back up. Close the eyes, settle again. Feel a calm, quiet mind. Let the vibration of healing continue to work through all the joints, the muscles, the tissues, the cells of the body. Letting that feeling of balance and alignment reverberate out off of the mat into the everyday moments of life. And then allow yourself a long, deep breath in. As you exhale, let's open the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me on this practice. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be filled with love.